Hello, my friends, and today we'll learn drinks in Russian. We've learned food, and today we'll learn drinks. It's very useful if you go to Russia, you can go to cafe or restaurant and you will know what to say. So drinks. Drink, напиток, напиток. What can we drink? Water, вода, вода. Juice, сок, сок. Tea, чай, чай. Coffee, кофе, кофе. Milk, молоко, молоко. And some alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic drink, алкогольный напиток, алкогольный напиток. Or alcohol, алкоголь, алкоголь. Of course, wine, вино, вино. Red wine, красное вино, красное вино. White wine, белое вино, белое вино. Champagne, шампанское, шампанское. Of course, traditional Russian alcoholic drink, vodka, vodka. Rum, Bacardi, for example, rom, rom. Bacardi will be Bacardi in Russian, Bacardi. You can drink martini, martini, or cognac, коньяк, коньяк, or whiskey, whiskey, and some other drinks. You can see my YouTube video about Russian alphabet with alcoholic drinks from all over the world. Please write in comments another drinks that you remember and see you in the next video. Bye!